Hey everyone, I'm Tim and I'm here to talk about our new release, the D-cerno audio engine. Televic has always been a market innovator when it comes to conference systems for both large institutions such as European Parliament and NATO, as well as smaller city councils where we provide a comprehensive managed meeting platform, with D-cerno being our market entry discussion only system. So why do we make something new? Partially driven by COVID, we realised that there is a higher demand for easy to set up hybrid meetings. Traditional conference systems or hybrid meeting systems are typically difficult to set up, configure, and often custom integration work is required. Our main goal with the new D-cerno AE is to make the whole process effortless and easy as possible to use. What exactly is new about D-cerno engine? First of all, we introduce hands-free mode on this product. This allows the users to talk amongst each other without the need to push a button, ask for permission to speak, or rely on an operator to activate the microphones. All microphones and speakers are always active, which stimulates a more natural meeting environment. Next to this, we added USB connection, which once plugged into a PC, creates an audio device that you can select in Teams, Zoom, or any other platform, and immediately create a hybrid meeting without the need to configure or develop. This is our plug-and-play USB driver. The new engine, by the way, is completely compatible with all of the legacy D-cerno products. It's just replacing the engine itself and then adding the latest firmware. So, thinking of small to medium-sized meeting rooms, how does this compare to ceiling tiles or tabletop microphones? Well, D-cerno excels in the way you set up the system. You simply connect all devices with the shielded Cat5e cables, the engine, power on the system, and you can start your meeting. This is far easier than setting up a ceiling tile or line array microphones. They require professional AV intervention and actually a lot of setup time. The other main advantage is each participant has his own microphone and speaker. This not only gives you much better audio quality than other systems, but allows for much better meeting engagement. With a push to mute, if you want to have private conversation with your neighbour, you can simply mute yourself temporarily. This is practically impossible with other technologies. So if you imagine a lawyer, say, wanting to have a quick conversation with his client without that being recorded, that push to mute function is exactly what it's there for. How can an integrator use this system in designs? Well, D-cerno is not only the ideal plug-and-play solution for the small and medium-sized meeting rooms, it's also designed to easily be integrated with. This is part of our smart audio and conference feature set we rolled out on Plixus last year, where we recognise that in some situations, integrators want to have full control of the AV system by using a DSP. So, if they want to put an echo canceller on each microphone, they can. If they want to EQ each microphone, they can. They can easily create different zones in the system, send them to the DSP, and do exactly what they want with it. This automatically puts 8 microphone channels with speakers or speakers with your choice on AES67, allowing you to process them with built-in capabilities on what you know and love to create groups of microphones and expand all the features through the audio configurator. Other features. On the front, we have 2 3.5 jack connectors for audio monitoring and recording. On the back, we have 2 balanced in and outputs. And then finally, a big one. Next to the first USB that we use for the hybrid connection, we also have a second device which is used for recording purposes. You can use this to connect a USB flash drive to expand the internal recording storage, or if you need to record separate multiple channels simultaneously, you can use the USB to record up to 8 different channels at the same time. So this can be 8 individual microphones set to record, or even group people into groups of up to 8 and record all those channels separately. This is going to be extremely advantageous in things like the court environment, where a permanent recording of all of the meeting and everything that goes on is required throughout the whole process. So, to summarise, as you have seen, D-cerno is the ideal plug-and-play solution for small to medium-sized hybrid meeting rooms, but also the perfect device to integrate in a more complex AV project by leveraging its many interface options. The individual delegate unit gives for full control and the best in market audio quality, guaranteeing fluent and streamlined meetings. So come and have a play at the booth and learn more. Thank you.